would like to give a presentation about an awareness of Japanese crew in the EMS helicopter and organization management. The emergency crew makes high cooperation and adaptive judgment. These things make each other among emergency crew. It does not make divider work. The many company, they take notice of knowledge management. Then it might be possible apply to the EMS organization. Since this study analyzed the EMS from the knowledge creation point of view and constellate improvement point of view.